So today I'm going to read If I Ran the Rainforest. Do you guys have any idea what you think it's about? Charles?
I have no idea. It's about a rainforest. I know what it's about.
About a rainforest?
Yeah, and there's loads of rain, and there's loads of kind of animals.
Yeah, there's loads of animals, lots of animals. So there's going to be, it's going to talk about lots of different facts about animals. Does anyone remember the difference between a fact and an opinion? I'm going to call on someone. Nolan?
Fact means it's real, and fib means it's not real.
Fib or opinion means, like, if I was to say sloths are cute, that's an opinion, right?
Ew.
Yeah. See, someone might think sloths are cute, but Racer doesn't, so it's an opinion. But if I was to say sloths lived in the rainforest, that's a fact. So as I read, be thinking about some facts because we're going to write some after, okay? I can answer your question after, okay? So, If I Ran the Rainforest by Bonnie Worth. I'm the cat in the hat, and it's time that we get to go to a place that is steamy and wet. It's a rainforest. The reason is clear. About 100 inches of rain falls each year. Down at the equator, I'll show it to you. Your mother won't mind very much if I do. To a tropical rainforest off we will go. There are 3 other kinds I think you should know. The seasonal kind has months that are dry. A cloud rainforest sits 3,000 feet high.
I can't see it. I can't see it. Wow, he's coming down a tree.
A mangrove forest grows on the coast. Rain falls on the tropical rainforest most. Dear Sally and Dick, for your information, the reason it's rainy is called transpiration. Transpiration. Plants lose water through pores in their leaves. Warm, wet air rises into the sky. Wet air cools and forms rain clouds. Plants soak up the rain through their roots. A rainforest has 4 floors, you might say. We'll visit each one, so please step this way. My umbrella Vader will give the best view. To the uppermost floor, it will take me and you. Emergent is the word that we use to call these trees that grow up 300 feet tall.
300 feet.
They might be quite tall, but I'm here to report their roots don't go deep, but they still give support. Buttress roots grow above ground like a fan to keep trees from falling. That's nature's plan. Who makes their home here? Those who like heights best. An eagle named Harpy here makes her high nest. This gaggle of parrots of colorful hue are macaws of scarlet and yellow and blue.
Where's Harpy?
Now we'll go down to floor 3, where lower treetops form the green canopy. It keeps rain and sun off the floors down below. It's also the place where epiphytes grow. These plants have roots that hang here and there. They suck up the moisture right out of the air.
What is it? That's their shoes.
The canopy is the most crowded of spots. Here's monkeys and tree frogs, and birds can eat lots of fruits and nuts and bugs and the nectar of flowers. There's a howler monkey, sloths, tree frogs, orchids. It's noisy round here and it's busy all hours. Howler monkeys.
What are so worried about the Bigfoot?
Some animals here I have just found live their whole lives without touching the ground. The wet leaves are slippery, movement is tricky, and that's why their toes and fingers are sticky. It's a cool fact. In the canopy park, the hummingbirds hum over 200 kinds. That is quite a large sum.
Teachers, please do not send anything to printer number 1. It is down for a couple of hours. Thank you.
The hummingbird sips at the nectar from blooms, from flower to flower. It flits and it zooms. The little bird helps the flowers to grow because pollen sticks to its body and so. When the pollen gets brushed from its feet and its head, it causes the pollen to scatter and spread. Eyes up here, you guys want to see the pictures? This plant gives an insect a most deadly ride. It slips when it spits and gets trapped inside. If this plant can't root, it will grow on another. The vines twine and squeeze, and then finally smother. Razor, razor. The understory is the next stop, floor 2. I'm afraid not much sun can make its way through. These vines and ferns grow where it's dim and it's hot. Spider monkeys live here, and the wild ocelot. Camouflage is the word to describe a design that makes things blend in and so hard to find. Find 6 hidden things and you'll win a prize. The sure way to win is to sharpen your eyes. Do you see camouflage?
I can't see anything. I see a butterfly. I saw a sloth.
Last stop, the first floor. The doors open wide, and when we look out, it's quite dark outside.
I see a fire. I see a
Is
snake.
anyone home? At first you'd say not.
That's a jaguar.
There's mostly leaf litter, dead plants, and some rocks.
I see a snake.
But jaguars prowl, snakes slink and they slither, insects and spiders creep, and you breathe yawn and
See, I
hit.
told you it's a jaguar.
Now look even closer, and you'll find among the life
That's, I know I said life.
is our own humankind. For thousands of years they've lived here unharmed. They've hunted, and some of them even have farmed. They know where to find the food for a meal. They know which plants poison. They know which plants heal.
Who is that? Ah, this is cool.
You've seen all 4 floors. See if you can list them. These four floors make up a complete ecosystem. But something has happened within recent years, a thing that is going to drive me to tears. Millions of acres of land every year are cut down for reasons too long to list here. If I ran the rainforest, you know what I'd do? I'd make a few changes. That's just what I do.
No more people.
I'd say chop somewhere else, people. Leave us these trees. Don't cut them down.
Yay! Cut them down. Cut them down. No.
Save these trees, please.
No, cut. No, cut them. Just cut them. Stop it. Stop it.
That's the end.
Yay! 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 Once I